And that is that. So the first thing to note about this song is its unusual time signature. We're in 5/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this fun little 5/4 riff kind of snakes itself down chromatically, modulating in half steps the whole time. We're going to break the riff into two parts. And so part 1 is C sharp and F sharp. Part 2 is C sharp, F sharp, D, F sharp. Then we're going to snake down a half step. That's C, F, F, C, F, F, C, F, C sharp, F. Each one of those is going to go twice. 1, 2, 1, 2. In the left hand, we're going to play a big old F sharp octave. Moving to a big old A octave. And then this chord, F, B flat, F. And when we play this F, B flat, F chord, that's when our right hand modulates down to that half step. Here it is with two hands. And again. Then we're going to take everything that we just did and snake down another half step. So here's the right hand part. Goes twice. And then down a half step. Two times on each. 1, 2, 1, 2. In the left hand, we're going to hit a big old E, and then a big old G, and then this chord, E flat, A flat, E flat. Then for our last part, we're going to modulate down to the key of B. We're going to play the same riff using these notes. F sharp, B, and G. But we're not going to modulate it any further than that. We're just going to stay on that shape for 4 times. And our left hand is going to hit a big old B octave, D octave, E, B, E, F sharp, B, F sharp. And again. Then we're going to drop out to just the right hand. Twice. And then modulate back to the original key. And in the actual recording, the song loops around the whole form again, but that's where we're going to leave it for right now. So if any of that left hand part is a little bit too challenging, or if your hand is a little too small or anything like that, you could take these octaves that I was doing, and you could just do one note. And when you get to this last chord, you could also just do one note. So here's what that would look like. So if you want to go that route, the left-hand part for the first part is F sharp, A, F, goes twice. Then the left-hand part for the second part is E, G, D sharp, which once again goes twice. Then the third part, B, D, E, F sharp, which also goes twice.